Guten Morgen and welcome to Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs. Obviously, I am not Reinhard von Hennigs. Hi, I'm Henriette and I am his assistant. He is really busy today, so I'm stepping in for Reinhard today. Which is a good day to do it because we're talking about one of my favorite foods, ice cream. We delve into a story of freedom and flavor as the right to repair intersects with our collective love, I guess, for soft-serve treats. It has long been a point of frustration for McDonald's patrons and franchise owners alike, the often broken ice cream machines. These machines, supplied by Taylor Company, have been notoriously difficult to repair due to copyright laws. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, also DMCA, made it illegal to bypass the digital locks on these ice cream machines, leaving repairs solely in the hands of the manufacturer. But here's where the narrative begins to churn. The U.S. Copyright Office has turned the tide with a new exemption. Finally, there's a breakthrough for those yearning for their McFlurries and sundaes. This exemption allows third parties to legally diagnose, maintain, and repair retail-level commercial food preparation equipment, which includes the McDonald's ice cream machines. The Copyright Office, recognizing the public interest in such repairs, has now made it possible for franchise owners to call upon external technicians without fear of legal repercussions. This change reflects a broader movement towards the right to repair, a movement that advocates for consumer rights over the products they purchase, arguing for less dependency on manufacturers for simple fixes. For McDonald's, this is not just about fixing machines. It's about empowering franchise owners and reducing downtime. For customers, it promises more reliable service and a McFlurry when the fancy tickles you. But there's more at stake. Innovation in repair, for instance. This could spark innovation in repair tools and methods and potentially lead to more robust equipment in the future. Consumer empowerment. It's a nudge towards a world where consumers aren't just users of products, but caretakers capable of extending the life of their purchases. And market dynamics. This might pressure manufacturers to design more user-friendly equipment or risk using market share to competitors who do. So, before we part, here's a thought to turn over. Repair is not just fixing what's broken. It's about reclaiming control over your daily devices and, by extension, our lives. Thank you for joining Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs and me today. And remember, the next time you're at McDonald's and you see that ice cream machine light up, it might be thanks to this small but significant legal shift. Until next time, keep savoring life's simple pleasures, and may your day be as smooth as a well-blended McFlurry.